Hey everyone, it's Brianna with your Friday on LBGT Love. Yay! I hope everyone's doing amazing. Topic number one was, how long do you think it will take for every country to have equal rights? I don't think it'll happen in our lifetime because I don't think it's gonna happen. I wish it would. I'm hoping for the good for America to get their senses right and to follow in Canada's pathway of equal rights and legalize marriage, because Canada rocks for that. Do you think it'll happen in our lifetime? No. Maybe Ohio. Ohio can legalize marriage and I will be a happy person. And then I'll continue to fight for everyone else to get equal rights. That makes sense. Why are we not? I just don't think it'll happen. I don't really have an answer for that, I guess. Topic number two are dares. Yay. This shall be exciting, right? Right, okay. Complete all dares listed below. Dance to a random song in public. Or not, of your choice. So I danced in my car, and I'm going to include the video in this video, and it'll be amazing. Don't laugh at me, I kind of didn't really dance because I was driving, but it was like as close to publicness as I could get it, so it's just gonna have to do. So I'll include that in here right now. Snap. Prank call a friend or send a random message to somebody how you are desperately in love with a random object. Okay. I am going to text, because I know she watches my videos because she told me so last week. I'm going to text my friend, Courtney. It's coming. So OMG, I just had to get this off my chest, and finally admit to my desperate love of the couch. So I don't even know if you guys can see this, but you can't. Oh, poop. There you can. It's coming, Courtney, and we'll see if she answers or not. She'll probably ignore me, but 'tis cool. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. Obviously, there's a fridge behind me, and while I was moving rooms, Courtney texted me, and she did like the little XD laughy face. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can't really, but she laughed at me, so Winning! So let's see what's in the fridge. Something random. I'm gonna eat. See, it's beeping at me. Some tomato sauce. Just gonna dip my finger in it. Nobody's watching, right? Right? It's not as good as when it's warm. I love spaghetti. Okay, enough of that. I have to go drink some pop now. Beep. Last but not least, have the day before you give you a dare. Be nice. So, if you watched Kristen's video, she gave me a dare. And it was to burp the alphabet. So I'm gonna go chug like 20 bottles of pop because I don't burp on command. So this will be hysterically awkward for me. Okay, so I have my soda. It's Sprite. And I'm chugging it because I can't burp on command. I can barely burp off command. Kristen wants me to burp the alphabet. This is not happening. I think this whole time I burped once. Oh, I'm gonna be sick of Sprite in a second. Burp, burp, burp. I don't know how to burp on command, so this is gonna be like the crappiest video ever. Or I'm just gonna puke Sprite everywhere. Nothing's happening. I'm sorry, Kristen. I think I just failed the challenge. I don't know how to burp on command. Ready? It's me trying to burp. I guess I'm too ladylike to burp, so I give up. I can't burp. After I end this video, I'm probably gonna be burping up a storm. I'm gonna hate myself. Burp. It's coming. I can feel it. Hey. Oh my god, that was hysterical. One letter. Ish. Okay. Nothing's happening. I give up. Okay. Have a safe weekend. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. I hope you enjoyed this week because I'm gonna go barf Sprite everywhere. Bye everyone.